Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a texture overlay in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, bring in the image of the wood texture. Drag one of the corners to scale the image so it completely covers the background copy layer. Click on the tick button to commit your changes. Reduce the opacity of this layer to 50% and change the blend mode to linear light. Now create a brand new layer and rename it to base fill. Drag this layer below the background copy layer, then click on edit in the top menu and choose fill. Select color from the dropdown and pick a dark brown color for the background. Now activate the background copy layer and click on the add layer mask button. With the layer mask selected, click on the brush tool from the toolbar and make sure the foreground color is set to black and the flow is set to 5%. Slowly paint over the edges of the eagle so it blends in nicely with our base fill layer. Next, bring in the stone texture image, then click on edit in the top menu and choose transform and then rotate 90° clockwise. Drag the corners one at a time to scale and adjust this image and move this layer all the way on the top. Reduce the opacity to 50% and change the blend mode to color burn. Duplicate the background copy layer and move it right above the stone texture layer. Change the blend mode to soft light and reduce the opacity to 50%. Next, bring in the image of the coffee mug and activate the quick selection tool from the toolbar. Hit select subject in the options bar and then use the plus minus brushes to clean up the selection. Click on the add layer mask button and use the move tool to move, transform and scale the image as per your liking. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.